Back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. How's everybody doing today? It's Saturday and it's one more day before Halloween actually starts. The month of Halloween. It will be on Monday.
That's right.
Anyways, you know, I went and got this.
What's that?
These frozen pumpkin sugar cookies from Pillsbury. It was $1.89, and this is what it brought. It brought 24 of these little tiny cookies. They're ready to put on a sheet, a baking sheet, or a flash sheet, whatever you have available. So I think they're all gonna make it here in this round one. So what you do is, guys, put them around, you know, at least an inch apart, all of them. You have to do that. So when they grow the cookies, you have enough space. I don't know how big they get, but we'll see to it together. What do you guys think?
That's right.
Hey, Michael, you say hi to everybody?
Hey, Christmas Day.
Strangers there and Teddy. Hello, guys. Here's my babies right here. That's right. So anyways, I'm going to put all this here. And the reason why I wanted to air this is so you guys can realize how cheap it is. Even, you know, my kids are already grown up.
A cooking tutorial. A how-to.
How cheap it is
tutorial.
To make yourself some nice sugar cookies, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to pay $7 for a pack of cookies, or go through the stress of making them and putting the decorations on top like these one. They look gorgeous.
And how much did you spend?
$1.89 and
wow.
24 cookies, and I'm telling you, these guys are gonna eat that up. Right, Michael?
That's right.
Oh, and later we're gonna be making, if not later today, tomorrow, a triple chocolate fudge. That's right, Michael?
That's right.
It's gonna be really good. Anyway, so let's continue with this. So it says in the back of the box, put it on 350 right now.
That's right.
Right, Michael? For how long?
For 12 minutes.
12 minutes? Okay, and since my oven, like I always mentioned before, let's put the timing first. Oh, sorry. What was the timing? I don't have my glasses. 13 minutes? This is an older stove, so I have to... let's do 15?
Yes, do 15.
So I'm going to do 15.
You always want to do more time than what the box says, because sometimes it can be a little bit undercooked. It varies
on what kind of oven you have.
Yeah.
Some of them bake, you know, at a faster rate than the others. So I'm going to do these first. I'm not going to put them together. I'm going to do that batch first. And I'll see you guys back in 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we're gonna take this out now. Hi guys, thanks for coming back. These are cookies.
Oh, they smell so good.
I put them for 17 minutes, right, Michael?
That's right.
You see, they look a little bit bigger in size than these, but look how pretty they came out.
Uncooked?
Yeah, this is uncooked and this is cooked. I'm gonna put this tray in.
That's right.
You cannot be putting, it's a conventional oven. You can't be putting that many cookies at one time in there. But anyway, this is what they should look like, guys. And if you have any questions, follow the instruction behind the box of your Pillsbury pumpkin sugar cookies. I know.
Well, we had them in the oven for about 20 minutes.
They're gonna love these. I know they are. You know, they're gonna love these cookies. Michael's staring at them, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And with that, I wanna not the least, you know, to have a good weekend, everybody out there next to your friends and family. Don't drink and drive. Love one another. We're only passing through this life. And I guess that's about it. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+, on Patreon. If you want to scroll down and click Patreon, you can donate $1 or not. And you can also click on lifesabundance.com for all. And that link will take you directly to one of the best dog foods that you can feed your puppies or cats, any type of animals that you have, small animals. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. And these are your cookies for today, Saturday the 30th. Is today the 30th?
Tomorrow is the 30th.
No, today's the 30th.
It might be the 29th. Yep.
I don't know. The 29th or the 30th, whatever it is. But happy Halloween, everybody. And I'll probably see you Monday with another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.